my name is Risha. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I've designed this very beautiful application which is a quiz portal, and it was recently asked in Uber interview where they asked one of the candidate to design a quiz portal application at the world level. So consider it like a mock test where you will be given a questionnaire and you need to answer those questions. So what the requirement was that we will be having a question which is of multiple choice, and we will be given four options. We need to select them, and based on that we need to give our based on our understanding we need to give the answer, and at the end we will be seeing which all are correct and which all are incorrect, and we will also give an option where we can give this test again. So let's start. So what I did is so I've created this quiz portal, and, and this is a responsive CSS. You can see over here when I'm hovering, so it's changing the color, and I try to keep this CSS interactive. So let's start with the quiz portal. So I'm starting with the quiz portal. So for example, I'll be giving the right answer as well as the wrong answers so that we can see what all are correct and what all are incorrect at the end. For example, the first question is which planet is known as the red planet? So I selected Mars. Which mountain is the tallest above the sea level? Mount Everest I have selected. Which country has the largest population in the world? China. What is the capital city of Australia? Let's suppose I selected Sydney. Which element has the chemical symbol O? I'll select oxygen. Which ocean is the deepest in the world? Pacific Ocean, for example. Which social media platform has the most monthly active users as of 2025? So I've selected Facebook. So what is the official currency of UK? Pound. uh, which search engine process the most queries globally? Google. uh, who is the artist behind the painting? uh, for example, Pablo. So here you can see that it will give us a result where it will be mentioning which all option which all answers were correct, which were given by us. That will be in green color, the wrong will be in red color, and moreover we will be also having an option where where by clicking we can give the exam again. So what I did is this was based on the interview and requested by one of the candidate to make this, but we can make it more a large scale application, so we can connect to our uh, own database where we can have ample number of queries, and moreover we can also use cloud over here, and I can also make it more interactive by connecting to AI, where AI will be designing the questions based on our correct options and incorrect options. But for that, you guys need to drop me a comment. You need to like this video, and drop me a comment if you want me to make a AI generated quiz portal. So I will love to do that. So if you can see, if I click over here, it will again redirect me to the quiz portal exam. Thanks everyone. Thanks.